This impact weather briefing for central Alabama will focus on the possibility of severe storms and flooding today through early Wednesday morning. A slow-moving cold front will approach central Alabama today. Ahead of this front, an unstable air mass will develop as a warm front lifts northward. This warm front will struggle to get much further north in the U.S. Highway 80 corridor, thanks in part to widespread rainfall across much of the area and persistent easterly flow across northeast central Alabama. Stronger storms that develop in the air mass south of the warm front could pose a threat of large hail and damaging winds. Currently, the greatest risk area through 3 p.m. exists across southwest central Alabama. Heavy rain will be possible area-wide, with localized flooding possible in typical trouble spots, low-lying areas, and urban locations. With the cold front just to our west, a surface low will track northeastward along the front. Wind shear will increase across the area, but the warm front will continue to struggle to lift northward. By 3 p.m., thunderstorms are expected to begin organizing into a line, either over portions of west central Alabama or just to our west. As this line moves eastward through the late afternoon and early evening hours, the threat of severe storms will continue south of the warm front, or generally south of a line from Aliceville to Clinton to Phoenix City. As individual storms cross over the warm front, there will be a brief window in which storms could produce a brief, weak tornado. The threat of flash flooding will increase, especially south of the Interstate 85 corridor, where prolonged heavy rain could lead to 3.5 to 4 inches of accumulation. To the north of the warm front, widespread heavy rainfall will continue to pose a threat of localized flooding. There remains some uncertainty with how far north the warm front lifts, but the severe threat will be along and to its south. Also, the development and organization of storms this afternoon and early evening will depend on how widespread rain becomes this morning and early afternoon. If there is no lull in the rainfall, it will become increasingly unlikely for severe storms to develop. The threat of severe storms will end from west to east as the line of thunderstorms crosses the area. The threat could end as early as 3 to 4 p.m. across the west and continue as late as 3 a.m. across the east. Again, this threat will be limited to locations south of the warm front or generally across the southern third of central Alabama. With severe storms possible later today, now is the time to review your severe weather safety plan, including ways to receive severe weather information. As always, make sure to stay weather aware with the latest forecast and severe weather watches and warnings. Our social media feeds are a great way to stay weather aware. Check us out on Facebook or Twitter if you haven't already for the latest info. Also, you can give us a call anytime at 205-664-3010. Thanks for viewing our briefing.